Hey, what's up? It's Tomboy Beauty. I'm Amy Harber. This is everywhere you can find me. This is the second Target beauty box for May 2020. It's Sunscreen Queen, which, quarantine or not, I'm going to find a way to get my vitamin D this summer. It says summer. Is that you? Summer days are right around the corner. And, if you're anything like us, you have your beach bag ready to go. Well, I do, but I can't go to the beach because they're all closed here in Chicago. But you need sunscreen whether you can go to the beach or not. So let's explore all these fun sunscreeny products right now. So hey, whoop, sunny. I mean, look at it. It just looks sunny. I don't know who decided white on yellow was a good choice, but whoa, killer on the eyes. Killer on the eyes. Where are those eye drops from that other beauty box? I need them now. Anyway. Sunscreen box. Yeah. Let's get into it. We have Australian Gold, Botanical Sunscreen. It's a mineral lotion. It's SPF 50. Pretty much anything with the, like Australian is going to be like minimum like SPF 50 because the sun is so damn strong there. I am not kidding. I don't know how the grace of God I did not get sunburnt there, but I didn't. And I'm shocked. But yeah, I was reapplying like SPF 50 and 75 constantly. But this is vegan and cruelty-free and hypoallergenic, and it's not greasy. So excited. Then we have Sun Bum Spray. It's 30. So what I would do is I'd put on that 50 and then take this for touch-ups. But the spray, you gotta watch out because it doesn't get all over you. You have to make sure you rub it in good. And we have Bare Republic Mineral Shimmer Diamond Dust. So it's a shimmery with nano zinc oxide. It's supposed to give you a glow. Let's see if we shimmer. Oh yeah, it's like holographic. Oh yeah, that'd be fun. I don't know. Use it as a highlighter even. Get your SPF while getting highlighted. I'm really sad that this is just a little packet because literally this is the best sunscreen in the world. Like, this is what they sell a crap ton of in Australia. It is the Roche Posay. It's melt-in sunscreen milk, which I don't know what that means. It's basically sunscreen. Just rub it in. But it's supposed to be fast absorbing with a velvety finish. Then I like this. They gave you a full size in this box. It's a full size multi-correction 5-in-1 SPF daily moisturizer from Rock. SPF 30. Love it. Full size. Full size. And this box was only $7. This alone is probably like $17. Then finally we have the CeraVe Ultralight Moisturizing Face Lotion. So we got two face, couple body. This one's probably like all over. It's adorable. That's like shimmery. That is that. Quarantine or not, I'm going out in the sun. I'm gonna need my SPF. Look how white I am. You should follow me. And until next time, stay safe, stay beautiful, and stay sunburnt free.